Hello everyone, and today I'll be trying to solve a common misconception. Does the melting of icebergs cause floods? Well, some say yes and some say no. I'm here to tell you what happens. Going ahead, first we need to know why we are using the Archimedes principle. That's practically an essential foundation for this to prove. So, let's see what the principle states. A body at rest in a fluid is acted upon by a force pushing upward called the buoyant force, which is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces. So, when an object or a body is on a fluid and some of it is submerged, it displaces some of the fluid. So, mathematically, buoyant force is equal to the density of the fluid multiplied by the volume of the fluid displaced, that is, by the submerged part of the object, times g, that is gravity. So, how exactly does this work? Let's see. So, density of the fluid times volume of the displaced fluid is basically the mass of the displaced fluid. So mass of the displaced fluid times gravity is fluid's weight. So buoyant force is equal to the fluid's weight displaced. Going next, we have three scenarios where in the first one there's an iceberg, in the second one there's a smaller iceberg, in the third one there's no iceberg. So the iceberg has melted over time. In the first case, the water displaced is equal to the weight of the iceberg. In the second case, it is the weight of the iceberg plus the water melted from the iceberg. And in the third case, water of the weight of the only melted water because the iceberg is completely melted. So going next, I have a video to show. So that was a time lapse of a demonstration. So the water in the glass is assuming the ocean and the icebergs are the ice. So if you've observed, I put up a comparison here. In both, the water level is 10.2 centimeters. So melting of icebergs does not increase sea levels, which leads to floods. Thank you.